contact?
Someone you talk to.
Yeah, okay, somebody I talk to, but what? Like,
Their phone number and email, I don't know.
okay, well that could be somebody that's a really good contact. A contact, by my definition, everybody has a slightly different one. There's really two types. Some people like to get at least one answer out of them. I don't care about that. If I call you or door knock you, and you listen to me long enough and then you shut the door, that's a contact to me, that counts. Or if I call you and halfway through my intro you hang up, that's a contact to me. You don't have to answer me for it to be a contact as far as I'm concerned. Some people want to get at least one or something out of them. I don't care. If I call you, hey, it's Rick at Berkshire Hathaway, we just sold a home in your area around Oak Street, it's got 4 beds and 3 baths, and just sold, click, that's a contact to me. Good afternoon. No problem. All right?
Why?
Huh?
Why? Because they listen to you for a second?
Yeah, because I want to eventually figure out my contact per appointment ratio, and I like to count everybody. Look, anything but a yes is a no, right? All right, so no's come in many forms, fashions, sizes, shapes. To me, a no is a no. Remember my number 48, every time I talk to 48 people, I had a closing. No, he listens to me. Hi, this is Rick Berkshire. We just sold a home here on Oak Street. I don't need real estate. Click. That could take 3 questions. That could take no questions. It's still a no. So to me, it's a no. Now, if I do the same script with somebody who's moving, it works.